Yes. Yeah, morning everyone. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear or not?
It's clear.
Fine, thank you. So yesterday I was just discussing like there are two types of data types, fundamental and collection data types. Discussing about the fundamental data types, right? Whenever we install Python, go to the start programs, go to this Python 3.10, ideally integrated development environment, file, new file. So I discussed integer 4 cases, right? Case 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the last session. I discussed now float data type. X equal to 34.5. Just print X. It prints the float value. Type of X. Type of X will be float type. So what value you are assigning to X? Float value, the type of X will be float. ID of X, the address where exactly it is stored. ID of X. Print X, type of X, ID of X. Okay. Run module, right? It printing the X value, that is 34.5. Type is what type? Float type. The address where exactly it is stored. Boolean data type. It takes either true or false. Boolean data type, it takes either true or false. T, true, T should be in uppercase. False, F should be in uppercase. Python is case sensitive. Uppercase and lower cases are taken differently. Yes. If you're assigning X as 10, type of X will be integer type at X equal to 4.5. Float type. X equal to true if I give like Boolean type, right? What value you are assigning to X, based on that the variable is going to get created dynamically. So your print X, okay, type of X, Boolean type it, address of X, ID of X. Print X, it prints that type of X will be Boolean type, address of X, right? Run module. Print X, true, type of X, Boolean type, address where exactly it is stored. Now I said we have got a lot of discussion on strings, string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters. But next is like strings. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. String is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented using
single or double quotes.
yes, using a single quote, double quote, third, triple quote. A string is represented using single, double, and triple quote. For single line string, right, it can be represented using single or double quote for a single line of string. But for multiple lines of string, right, triple quote, we go for triple quote. A string is represented using single, double, or triple quote. If you want to represent a paragraph, go for triple quote. 10 lines of string, go for triple quote. But only for single line string, go for single or double quote. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index or positive index. Starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Start from left to right, index starts with 0. Second, backward index or negative index, right? Backward index or negative index. Starts from right to left. Starts from right to left, right? Yes. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Starts with minus 1.
-1.
Backward index or negative starts from right to left, starts with minus, index starts with -1. For positive, index starts with 0. Just observe this diagram. x equal to Python within double quotes. Internally, one object gets created. PYTHOEN. It is going to have some address. The address is given to x. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index. This one. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Backward index or negative index, right? Forward index or positive index, backward index or negative index. Okay. What is the value of x of 3? X is the string. X of 3. What is the value of x of 3?
H.
H, right? X of 3 value is what? X is the string. In that, the third indexed character is H. X of -2.
O.
Oh. So you can ask it, you will be asking a query, right? Already we have got positive index. Why again negative index required? For example, if you have got a very big string consisting of more than 100 characters, I want to print the last character by using positive index. How can you print? Hundreds of characters are there. I want to print the last character using positive index. So if you go for negative indexing, right, x of -1 gives the last character, right? So multi-line comments in Python. Single line comment starts with hash symbol. Multi-line comments you can keep within triple quote and with triple quote. Okay. X equal to Python. X equal to Python, right? Print X prints the string. Print type of X. Type of X will be like string type. ID of X. The address of X. Print X. Type of X will be string. Address of X. Print len of X. Len of X, right? Yes. Length of the string. Length of X means number of elements. Number of characters within the string. What is the length of X?
6.
6. Print X of 2 values what?
T.
T. X of -2 value.
O, sir.
Oh. And y equal to programming. Y equal to programming I'm taking. Print X plus Y. Print X plus Y. We call it as concatenation. Concatenation, right? Adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. That is First string followed by the second string. Okay. Observe this output. Run module. X plus 5. Python plus programming. Python programming. But I want space between Python and programming. For that, add 3 strings. X is one string, Y is one string. Python plus programming. Add one blank string between them. But Python space programming. Next. String slicing. Extracting particular portion of a string. Yes, extracting particular portion of a string. Okay. X equal to Python program. Print X. Type of X. String type. Print X means what? Okay, this type of X will be string type. Okay. Extract. I want extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. No, everyone try to answer right. X of, yes, I want to slice only Python from this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 colon 0 colon 0 to
4.
5.
6. Observe here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5 I should take, but I have taken 6. This is lower bound, this is upper bound. Always upper bound will be excluded. Always upper bound will be excluded. So if I take 5 here, actually 0 to 5 I should take. If I take 5, 5 will be excluded. The n will be missing. Up to 4 only it will consider. If so, I have taken 6. 6 excludes, up to 5 it will consider. You will get the output as Python. Run module. Python, right? Yes. Now extract the middle portion of the string. Extract only that PROG, right? Extract only these 4 characters PROG. Print
X 7 colon 14.
10. 7 colon 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
7 to 11 I need to go, right? Yes, 7 to 11. 11 excluded, up to 7 to 10 we consider. PROG, right? Yes. For example, 7 to 11 means, okay, if I go in the opposite way, 11 to 7, everyone try to answer. If I go in the opposite way, 11 to 7,
Negative values.
11 means this R. 11 to 7 means you will get empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction, not in the backward, right? If you go backward, you will get empty string. It returns an empty string. Just observe this. Empty string you got, one empty string you got, right? Extract a PROG using negative index. Try to answer. Using negative index, try to extract it. Everyone, try to answer.
-4 to -8.
No, you are going in backward direction.
-8 to minus.
No. Using negative index,
-4 to -7.
you are going in backward direction. You will get empty string. You should go using negative index also. You should go in forward direction. Yes. So just observe here, -1, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. What I should say? -7 to
-3.
-3. -4 if you give, again it will be excluded. -3. -7 to -3. -3 will be excluded, right? Okay. In the forward direction. PROG, right? Yes. Now this extract the entire word program now using positive index first. Extract the entire word program now. Yes. Entire word program. Yes.
7 to 14.
Yeah. Print x of 7 to, yes, 7 to 4. See here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14th index is not available. Can I take 14? Yes. Yes, because 14 we are not accessing it. It is excluded. Up to 13 only it will consider. 7 to 13. Otherwise, another way of x of 7, don't provide the upper bound. Ignore the upper bound. Means from 7th to all the remaining part of the string it will read. From 7th to remaining part of the string it will start. Okay. Extract the word program. Yes. No. Using negative index, you say me how to extract the program using negative index.
-7 to 0 or -7 to blank.
Yes, x of -7 to 0. 0 means this p positive index. So -7 to blank. Don't give this upper bound, right? Yes. -7 to blank. All these three results the same output, right? Program, right? Program. Okay, next, if I want, just observe this. If I ignore this lower bound, x of lower bound I didn't provide, 6 I given. Is it valid? Lower bound I didn't provide, upper bound I given as 6. What is output you get?
Python.
Python, right? Yes. So same. If you're not giving the lower bound, by default it reads from the start of the string to 6. 6 is excluded up to 5. Similar to this, right? This and this both are same. Extracts Python. If I ignore both upper and lower bound, try to observe this. If I ignore both, I'm not providing this lower bound and now what is the output?
Python program.
Yes,
Python programs.
entire string will be printed Python program, similar to print x, similar to print x of 0, x of 0 to remaining, right? Yes. Okay. These three statements results the same output, right? Yes. Okay. Now print. Can I take that combination of negative and positive index? Is it valid if I give like -7 to 11? -7 to 11. Combination of both negative and positive. -7 means P, 11 means R.
R.
What is output? -7 means P, 11 means R. P R O G, right? So you are going in the forward direction only. It gives P R O G. Print x of 0 to 14. 0 to 14, right? 0:14 with the increment of 2.
Python program and Python program.
No. Here 0 to 14, 0 to 14 with a step of 2. With the
Means
increment,
P
with the
H
increment,
is
with the increment of 2, right? All even indexes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 it will take, right? 0 means P, 2 means T, O space R G A. Even indexes. This minute I'm getting sounds. Yes. Okay. Understood this P T O R G A, right? Even indexes. 0 to 14 with a step of 2 with the increment of 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What is the output you get for this? Print X. What is the output you get for this?
same as the previous one.
Yeah, same output like the previous, same output, both results the same. So is it compulsory to give space here? Here for lower bound, upper bound?
No, sir.
No. No need to give any space. Even this also works.
Okay.
So here print x of colon -1, right? Colon -1. What is output you get? Is reverses the elements of a string. Reverses the elements of a string. Okay, fine. This is string slicing, right? Next is string methods. String methods. Upper. To print in uppercase. X equal to Hyderabad. Just what a string Hyderabad. Print this in uppercase. Print x dot, x is the string, dot upper. That's it. It prints in uppercase. So we no need to write huge codings here in Python. We've got built-in functions and methods available. X dot upper, print that Hyderabad in uppercase. Lower, to print in lowercase. to print in lowercase x equal to Chennai. X dot lower, right? X dot lower, printing this Chennai in the lowercase, right? Yes, run module. Okay. Observe this third one, x equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Print x dot capitalize. X dot capitalize. Just observe this. If you capitalize this only the first character, you can see only I in uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. For capitalizing the first character of a string. For capitalizing the first character of a string. Okay. Observe this. For example, how many words are there here? How many words in this string? How many words in this?
3, sir.
Each and every word, first character in the uppercase I want. G in uppercase, morning M should be in uppercase, Hyderabad S should be in uppercase. Each and if I use capitalize, only G appears in uppercase. So I print X dot title. X dot title like this. Just observe each and every word, first character in the uppercase. For capitalizing the first character. See, observe this. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, right? Good. G in uppercase, morning M in uppercase, Hyderabad H in uppercase, right? For capitalizing the first character of each word. In a string, right? G in uppercase, morning M in uppercase, Hyderabad H in uppercase, right? Yes. One more example in this, one more example. For example, the employee names are like this: Rohit, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James. Okay. I want each and every employee name first character in the uppercase. I want each and every employee name first character. Ajay A should be in uppercase, Blake B should be in uppercase, Miller, James, Rohit. All this I want in uppercase, right? Print emps dot title. Just observe this. Each and every word first character in the uppercase you get. Rohit, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James. Next is like swap case. For converting one case to another case. For converting one case to another case. If it is in upper, it converts to lower. If it is in lower, converts to upper, right? Yes. Good morning, Hyderabad. It is in lower case. Now prints in upper case, right? Yes. X dot upper. Okay. X dot upper. X not upper. Swap case. Sorry. Swap case means if it is in lower, converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. If you got combination of upper and lower, all the lower will be converted to upper, upper to lower, right? Replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For example, x equal to for example, Java is easy. Print x dot replace. X dot replace, right? Java with Python. X dot replace Java with Python. Replace Java with Python. Just observe this output. Now what it prints? What it prints? Python. Python is easy. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple. Does it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python or only the first occurrence of Java?
Every Java.
Every occurrence of Java will be replaced, right? Yes. Every occurrence of Java is replaced with Python, right? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So what is this? Upper, lower, capitalized, title, swap case, replace. Still you have got many methods like count method, format method, found method, starts with, ends with, join method, partition method. In this way, many other methods are there, string methods, string functions. Still we have got a lot more discussion on strings, string methods, string functions, string special characters, right? We'll discuss in the next session. And next session will be on tomorrow, Sunday. There is no class. We'll meet on Monday again. So the Monday, the link is going to change, right? As said by the online team. You can see the messages in the chart panel. So you can see that the payment process, procedure, everything kept in this chart panel, right? So even that course content is kept, the demo video is kept, and you can go to that contact details of the online team for any queries. And if you want to receive this soft copy of the materials, videos, everything, right? And after you pay the fees, don't forget to send a mail to this DURGASOFT online training, right? They have kept that. See the last message they kept in the chart panel. So if the new link, Monday you will be getting a new link for those who got.
From Monday onwards, we'll get sir. Notes, recording classes.
Yes, everything you'll be getting, right? Once you get enrolled, registered.
Okay, sir.
Already, if you go and check in your Google Drives, right? Once you go and check your Google Drive,
We
share
have checked in mails. Sir. They had not given it.
in Google Drive, shared with me option.
Sir, we have checked in our mails, sir.
No,
Yes,
no
sir,
one.
is there,
You got the video.
yes, sir. I got the video
You
in
got-
Google Drive.
In Google Drive, you can check it. In Google Drive, you can check. In Google Drive, you can check it, right? Shared with me option. Shared with me, you can just check it. If anyone not getting, not a problem, it will be re-forwarded. If you have given whatever email ID you have given while joining the meeting, right, to that email ID, they will be forwarding you, right? See that you have given the correct mail ID. Fine. And okay, fine. Once you get enrolled, you will be having direct access, right? A WhatsApp group will be created. You can have direct access, direct interaction with me, right? Okay, fine. And notes, everything you'll be getting whatever I'm typing here, right? So like step by step, everything you'll be getting it, right? Yes. So after you pay the payment, don't forget to forward the screenshot to DURGASOFT online training at gmail.com. Then only they can forward you the link to you, right? Yes. So we'll continue more on this string on the Monday, right? Yes. Any other queries, anyone, right? Okay. So I'll stop here. We'll continue on Monday.